So I'm here now, but there is some protest ongoing for fascism, if I'm understanding it properly. And I guess it's Russian language. Yes, the protest is ongoing. So yeah. So this side, we're in Ulster. On that side, this Ulster, man-made lake actually, they call it. There is a mall, Europa Passage. There is a church. There is a city hall. I just took a break. I'm sitting opposite of the lake. Wait, let me show you guys. See this? I can feel a little bit water on my face, from that fountain. Yeah. Weather is really nice. Yeah. So this area as well is for sitting, chilling. I sit here as well most of the time when I'm coming up this section. Now I'm having my coffee. It was pretty, not so much, but yeah, a little bit warm. It was a little bit extra warm. After my coffee, I'm thinking to go back on that side, and I'm gonna show you the inside streets of Neustadt. Well, I'm not completely sure, but if I remember correctly, this section is Neustadt, and the city hall that we saw just now, that was Altstadt. Altstadt means old town. Neustadt means new town, because this Neustadt area, that one, that is supposed to be having some street name called Neue Wall, like new walls. So I think this is a new town district area. I don't know, let's see, let's check it out. But yes, really nicely infrastructures inside, amazing buildings. Just to show you guys around that how beautiful Hamburg is. And I hope after seeing this you will like to visit Hamburg someday. Dude, I'm gonna walk more after this coffee. Pretty sunny now. Really nice. Oh. Yep. It's really nice area to sit. I like sitting here, but today it's overly crowded, so I don't think I can find a place to sit. Oh, there's a DJ. Oh. It's pretty common to see that here. Yeah. Let's go on opposite side.